Welcome to Storybook Hut, where reading is always a good idea. This book is called Sneeze, Big Bear, Sneeze, written by Maureen Wright. The wind whipped through the autumn woods and swirled to the spot where Big Bear stood. It whirled the leaves right off the trees, just as Big Bear let out a sneeze. The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The leaves flew down because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The leaves fell down when I sneezed. Achoo!" Big Bear tried to nail the leaves back using a hammer and some tacks. The wind kicked up and raced to the sky, swinging down low, then spinning up high. She said, "That bear knows nothing at all. I dropped the leaves because it